Introducing 4x2 dump truck, built for efficiency and reliability in the toughest work conditions. In the infrastructure projects, the 4x2 dump truck transports material fast, speeding up construction and saving time. Compact and flexible, it can handle narrow, challenging roads in mines and construction sites, getting the job done wherever you need. Powered by a 210 horsepower engine and a 10-speed transmission, it's ready for heavy loads and tough conditions. With a strong, high-strength steel frame. Whether it's climbing steep slopes or navigating tough terrain, the 4x2 dump truck handles it all with ease. With its self-unloading system, it can carry heavy loads without bending, ensuring safe and stable transportation. It makes unloading materials faster and more efficient, reducing labor and time. Designed for reliability, it's tested to perform under harsh conditions and keep you working longer. The 4x2 dump truck, your trusted partner for construction, mining and heavy-duty transport. Get yours today, brought to you by Hubei Off-road Special vehicle.